Okay, nawr mae Griff mynd i graffu un fi, a mae Griff mynd i fynd am 5 lliw, nid i Griff? Dun, dun, dun. 5 lliw. So Griff's going to go for 5 colours in his. He's starting off with a black. Black yn gynta i'r badger, yeah? Yeah, and then I'm going to mix, there's going to be a blue and a green and a yellow. So we'll start with the yellows, I think, okay? So we're going to go for yellow ochre. So that's just from the tub. Nice.
And then I might
Just be careful with your fingerprints, okay?
put the badger up there.
Lovely.
And I think I'm finished.
Yeah, done?
Well, no, fish.
Ah, pa'n cofer pysgodyn. Lovely.
Looks like that has a smiley face. No, please don't.
Ah, lovely. Griff, da iawn ti. Mae hwnna'n bendigedig. Ti'n hapus?
I don't know.
Really nice.